Hello everyone. Natural composting, the ultra fast method which we can get the fertile soil within 3 weeks using our kitchen waste. We have seen in land, in rice bed, and even in balcony also. So thank you, Ms. Rohini. So she has implemented it and sent the video. Since I want to explain a little bit more, I have taken here. This is used curd box, which is a 10-liter one. Okay, no holes in the base, right? So what we are storing our kitchen waste in a similar container can be taken for a weekly one something which already fermented. It means like since it doesn't have any kind of air or oxygen to go into the container, the fermentation already happened. It's like a pickle stuff already there, which is all kind of kitchen waste: banana peels, egg shells, onion garlic peels, apple peels, cucumber peels, whatever this thing. You can see that that the white formation, it's a fungus, it's a good sign actually, like in composting here. So these the basis soil, again, when this kind of thing, we have to give the good mix. See, stick is enough, or so it's mixing like a mix. The soil is, look at the desert sand, how changing into black color. It's a black gold. Yes, so that's what all about. Now after doing this, what you do, take a normal sand or a desert sand. Okay, just you can put it in the top. That's it. So you can take this. So kept under the full sunlight. You don't do anything because already it's a juicy stuff. In case if you want, after a couple of days, to increase the increase the speed of the composting, if you have a sour leaven, see, this is a leaven yogurt, or what you can say, like the box actually, the leaven is there. So once it's expired, you can say that. So that one, look at here, it's kept in the room temperature for 3 to 4 days. So it become more sour. That can be added with water, can be given to the plants like jasmine, even curry leaves, and other than that, any flowering fruiting plant to increase the flowering and fruiting. That can be added to here also, a little bit like this. See that? That's it. Then again you can give the mix. So with that you can add again. That's it, and kept in the full sunlight in the balcony. So within 3 weeks the soil will be fertile enough to grow anything, everything. You can take this a black gold and side dress for other plants we are growing in pots, or you can growing in land or in rice bed, something like that, which I shown you earlier. So now this is the same stuff I'm doing in balcony in my home as well. Now Miss Rohini in India, she implemented this similar thing. She got succeeded, and her video also is coming up next. Okay, so this is a bit of it. So you must be knowing now. This is what you can choose anything. The base, should be no holes in it. Base should be normal soil. Then again that juice, kitchen waste, which is already fermented, in the sense like a bit of juicier stuff. And then again adding soil. And if you want to increase the speed of the composting, you can add bit of this sour leaven. Okay, and then again top of the soil, rotate the soil a little bit. And when you're doing in balcony something, you hardly need any kind of watering. So because already juicy stuff, like fermented, the stuff is there, which is reacting with the soil very faster, and you're adding some sour leaven as well. And then a little bit of rotation, 3 weeks, you can see the good, happy, black gold ready for your garden. Thank you.
First, I collect my veg waste in and keep it covered in a closed container for a few days, so it gets pickled like this. It gets nicely fermented and pickled. After that, what I do is I take a pot in which I put one layer of soil or coco peat, whatever I have at that point. I just put one layer of that, and then I add one layer of pickled waste. If you don't want to use bare hands, you can wear gloves. Okay, then put again one layer of this pickled waste. Okay, and again use one layer of soil. See, the last layer always should be soiled. Once you pickle it this way, the compost will be formed very soon. So the last layer should be soil, and you have to press it tightly like this. Press it tightly and leave it in open sun. Okay, leave it in open sun. See to it that it doesn't get wet in the rain. In case it is a rainy season, keep a cover or a lid on top, or keep it in an area where it will not get wet. Okay, so after 3 weeks, if you check, mostly the compost will be formed. After 15 days, you can just give a nice stir. You can just mix the whole thing, and if you find the compost dry, you can just sprinkle some rice wash water or sour buttermilk and for activation. Then your compost will be ready in a month's time.